Hey, it's the Urban Development Corporation. Welcome. Meet the team: Nia, Daniel, Janelle, and Jada. As you know, we are the principal public sector organization responsible for planning and designing urban environments in Jamaica. And we've done some research on sewage disposal. Here are our 5 main discoveries: proper and improper sewage disposal practices, treatment of sewage, siting of pit latrines, use of pit latrines in the Caribbean, and methods of domestic refuse disposal. Proper sewage disposal takes place when sewage flows from buildings through sewers to sewage treatment works. Improper sewage disposal occurs when sewage is passed directly onto land or open water. Improper sewage disposal practices cause the creation of diseases, water pollution, breeding of insects, and the destruction of plants. Contaminated water breeds insects. Example, mosquitoes, which spread diseases such as dengue fever, ZIP-B, and chick-bee. Sewage which floats on water blocks out sunlight that is needed for the growth of plankton. Treatment of sewage. There are 2 methods of sewage treatment: the biological filter and the activated sludge. In the biological treatment, there is a trickle filter where sewage is sprayed onto stones covered with microorganisms. They feed on the organic matter and convert it to simple inorganic materials. In the activated sludge treatment, compressed air is pumped through tanks containing microorganisms which break down the organic materials. These are pictures showing parts of a pit latrine and their functions.
The siting of a latrine is important because, considering the predominant direction the wind blows for obvious reasons, and whether or not the latrine will be an area where it is safe and secure, could potentially contaminate a surface water supply nearby. As the siting of the latrine is so important, if there is a well nearby, the latrine should be located as far away from it as possible on the downhill side to avoid possible seeping and contamination of groundwater. The fecal microorganisms may migrate from the pit through the sandy soil. When building, situating, and siting the latrine, lining the pit prevents it from collapsing and provides support to the superstructure. The pit lining material can be brick, rot-resistant timber, concrete, stones, or mortar plastered on the soil.
Pit latrines are situated in areas where there are no sewage treatment systems. An advantage is that pit latrines have been dealing with the human waste efficiently in the Caribbean. A disadvantage is that they are becoming less effective because of the increase in the human population.
Efficiency of methods of domestic refuse disposal. Domestic refuse is referred to as garbage. Some methods of domestic refuse are landfill sites, recycling, composting, and incineration. A landfill site is a place where garbage can be dumped and buried with soil, compacted. This is effective because it prevents rats and rodents from interfering with the garbage. Recycling is effective because it increases supply and reduces energy for manufacturers. Compost is reducing the volume of waste that goes into landfill. It is effective as compost can be used for gardening. Incineration is the burning of waste. This is effective since the waste does not have to go to a landfill. References. Thanks for watching.